In this video, I will demonstrate how to convert a simple word list in an Excel spreadsheet into a standard format file that can easily be imported into Flex. The tool I will use is called Sheetswiper, and it can be found at the URL software.sl.org/Sheetswiper. Let's go straight to my spreadsheet. In my spreadsheet, each row represents a record. I have words in Indonesian and I have the gloss in English. So the first column is all Indonesian and the second column is all English. Now Sheetswiper wants two things. It wants me to save this file as an XLS file instead of XLSX. And it wants me to have the column headers to be the markers that I want to use in my file. Now the first marker does need to be \LX. It will use that as the key to know when it has found the beginning of a new record. The second one could be pretty much anything you want, but the default marker to use for the gloss in English is \GE. So I will use that. So I will save this file. Now Sheetswiper also wants me to have the file closed. It should not be open in Excel when I attempt to do this. So I will close that. Here is the Sheetswiper program, and there are several options for how to do it, but one option is to drag the file. So this is my XLS file here. I will drag it onto the window, and then it gives me a chance to review what it's going to do. This is what it will do to my data. So here we can see the first record where there's an Indonesian word followed by an English word, and then another Indonesian and then English. And so I can review this, and I see that that looks like what I want. So I will go ahead and I will save the SFM file, and I will give it the name Indo word list. And it wants to make it a DB file, which isn't ideal, but it works. So I will do that. And so there is my file. And if I were to open this in Notepad++, I can see that that looks exactly the way that I want. Now this was a simple file with only one analysis language. But what if I have glosses in more than one language? So here I have another word list file. I have Indonesian, and I also have glosses in both English and French. So again, I will change the header from Word to be LX. This time I'm going to leave these the way they were, but they do need a / in front of them because they do need to be markers. It needs to know their standard format markers, but I will leave those non-standard labels for now. So I will save it and I will close it. And in Sheetswiper, I will go back to the Convert tab. And so I will take this other file, this second one, and drag it on. And now here you can see what that will look like as a standard format file. And each record has not only the English, but also the French gloss. And that looks good. So I will save that SFM file. And I will call it Indo Word List 2. And we can open that in Notepad++ as well. And again, that looks good. That looks what I want.